APHLC holds strong protests on several issues in Dipu. KSA born effigies of Dr. Himanta Biswa Sarma in Dongkamukam. Hello and a very good morning to all the viewers of Karbi Anglong Live News. You're with Julie Baby with the latest news for today. Now the news in detail. Regional Party All-Party Hill Leaders Conference on Monday held a strong protest in front of Samson Singh Ingti Memorial Park in Dipu against ongoing implementation of Panchayat Raj, large-scale corruption in National Highway compensation case, and strong reluctance to allot Ramhok or land pata to poor hill tribes. Speaking to media persons, spokesman Angtong Ingtikathar said that the protest was organized in demand of their political rights that would continue until they are fulfilled. A group of protesters took part in front of the crowd as a symbolic protest against the KAAC over the non-fulfillment of their demands and alleged that Panchayat Raj is being implemented inside the 6 settled areas in the clandestine matter and against the massive fraud being committed in compensation for construction of national highways. The party also warned that if Tuliram Ronghang-led KAAC fails to recognize the genuine voice of the Hill peoples, they are ready to sacrifice their lives for the cause of Hill tribe peoples. Later, the regional party also submitted memorandum addressing CM stating that land through which the national highway 4-lane from Doboka to Dimapur being constructed has been the land of the Hills tribes since time immemorial, and that the 6th settle was framed to protect their tribal people and their land ownership. The party also reminded that the duty of the Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council is to enable its tribal landholders to continue to retain title over their land. Further, the APHLC alleged that financial compensation was obtained by non-locals through fraudulent means, while the actual landowners have been completely kept in dark and left out. The regional party demanded cancellation of all the written patas fraudulently issued to persons organizations that are not local ramp holders or who are not traditional local residents must be cancelled and issued patas only to the original and traditional tribes' local inhabitants. The APHLC also demanded the similar action in the matters of land related to electric power lines are being drawn and constructed and where extraction oil and natural gas project is being taken up by the government and semi-government authorities. The regional party has demanded all facilities including medical, healthy water supply, sanitary, education, electricity, land for cultivation and other alternative ways of earning a livelihood to the affected peoples and their children. The regional party has called upon the KAAC-CEM for intervention on the land encroachment made by KAAC through local EM Rup Singh Teron at Mupirchung and Chek Aphang under Hamren municipality and to return the land belonging to their owners as they have no other land to cultivate for their livelihood.
Autonomous Council atum angkin kehenno angkin kethe laben Arab aso pan kacing hon ekhe ajoinilo. Upia posela puson nilitum punang kong ma purutang te akhe bangke laheno Karbianglo Autonomous Council pen nona bangke kacipatu kacip sinona bangke Panchayati Raj arona bangke nondak pinchong bom. Lasin ini tumai hin pen aphan rong pen birta nang pilo ake hai etung kupia pot ni rong lom house numbering a plate nang ho kupipini napa bon thabarelo la pente nilo tumai aphan tangka mahasitame thongkep pikir la puson nang rung bom papen hala nomor pen nang ke sakatum tadak Karbianglong sorta kali kunane pen inglong sorta kali kunane ke chetum sidang nang pa bon pusnang thanlo lasin ini tumai hin pen dak Karbianglong Autonomous Council long bang si arjulo Karbianglong Autonomous Council a principal secretary panta arjudamno alang da chini ne panchayat kelang bang a secretary panta arjudamno alang da chini ne PNRD long arjudamno alang da chini ne la pen ha dak blog long a video panta arjulo chini ne ante chini ne pulutang te Karbianglong arlo bang jo kami hong ben bang pen da hai nomor plate sak thabret aning hang ni claim long la son ma ane council long principal secretary bandar judamlo deputy secretary bandar judamlo video bandar judamlo PNRD long bandar judamlo jota chini ne kopia aron ben ara so a house na barin te ni chini ne ante chini ne te komano na than lang kente la pen dak non council pen dak election GPC pan sik sidul aron pen si selam nangji aron selam nangi pulo ani la tum bangke state election commission na fansia ja kong pidak mane panchayat state election commission ke panchayat aron pen si ka selam an kala to panchayat aron pen si election ka pato akon dati authority ki bangke GPC pun pas so panchayat apa abang ke non pakak na pun council pen ka selam na panchayat.
The APHLC reiterated the demand for separate voter lists as per paragraph 2, 7 and 20 of the 6th schedule to the Constitution of India to conduct of council election and for immediate pursuance of the order issued by the High Court on July 13, 2020. NewsX report, Karbi Anglong Live. The Karbi Students Association on Monday burned effigies of Assam Education Minister Dr. Himanta Biswa Sarma to protest against his remark declaring that non-tribals would be now allowed to purchase and sell land in 6th schedule area. Taking a serious view of the Assam Health and Education Minister's statement made during his speech in Udalguri district on November 6, the KSA Central Committee President Samson Teron expressed his deep displeasure and anger over the issue, stating that the KSA would never accept that. He said that the students' organization would continue to organize a stronger protest against such an agenda in the days to come, as it is a direct threat to all the tribal people living under 6 schedule areas. The students' body also raised serious questions against the KAAC, led by the team Karbi Anglong, over their continued silence on the matter, even as the extremely issue is now known by all the people of the Hill District. The KSA president has severely criticized the KAAC elected representatives, charging that their silence on the issue is like opening Pandora box, which would only lead to the ultimate extinction of the tribal people, as their rights and powers are being gradually taken away by state government. He warned that land once taken would never be taken back.
Hi, Trokarni. BTR lasu election rally along Assam government mate Assam Sarkar Montri mate minister hala da election rally along kaninje po na putha nitum Karbi lo charli song hin pen nitum ning duk lo la pen pinila dak dong kamukam CM homosti mate constituency lang jini tum alangi mepi mekai alang liada election rally along kaninje la puso je sik sidul ang kangar lo ki doana long li pinanga bangke pini pena bangke non itrang pena bangke non tribal atum tak ke nam long la pen ke jor long la so rise bang pinai la pen people jong si nang li tum jong si nikre phogam bong yaro office long application pidame jong si pipede pote la bangke yaro lena and revenue la so department unda chok chelo la si ke pinang ji puja lang li kaninje.
During the protest, the students' body chanted slogans against the state minister over his statement, which has been severely condemned by a growing number of tribal people in the Hill District. Wiki based from Satgaon, Karbi Anglong Live. With the aim of promoting tourism and popularizing the natural beauty of the Hill Districts, the Karbi Students Association Jenkha unit on Monday made a trip to the waterfall located in the border area of West Karbi Anglong District. The visit is part of the students' organization's aim to make Jirikindang as one of the Hill District hotspot of tourism, which has great potential to uplift the people from poverty and grow along with the nation. The KSA Central Committee President Bijoy Bay, Vice President Mir Jenkro and Organizing Secretary George Timung were also present during the trip of the Jenkha unit, who were led by Unit President Bilton Ronghang, Secretary Rukasen Tiso, among others. The students' body also held a get-together program during which Jenkha KSA unit bagged the best KSA unit honor. Award for the best unit was given away by KSA Central Committee President Bijoy Bay. While speaking at the event, KSA President Bijoy Bay said that all effort must be made to develop the waterfall and urge upon the Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council to take early initiatives in its overall development. He also lauded local SGB, youths and villagers of the area for maintaining the area and stated that the KAAC should now take the lead to give priority towards making it as one hub of tourism and adventure of the hill districts.
Than pachini abang kenila ning hang hima jo ladak nila tungke dam lok lorang ke bordar le alam de langam samene tungke bordar kithom adim lo ladak ke Meghalaya lo lapen ke Karbiang lo malo lapen NCH kasila bordar long thoma long posame non nilatum government pen akerap tu panthek long o ala kasila bangso government atum akerap tu war pen cek lok ti jun alang kadu kawe lapen jo dak laso picnic place adim ta nan pen nang cerap dun dia panse nilihin mathalo
nilitum dak ke sehin pen dinner langsung itu dak amreng konsensi lo si la so langsung aggression phan la pen ke dak second dengkha headrons get together annual get together si amnai patoko
Ilitum kacali ana ardi ki pipe kacali kawe ajok pini ilitum akisung thetan alu bang komane thek atum kacali thek pipe atum iltum phage latung ke luwo kacali ana kala an le dun de pumasi alang litum man ke ilitum kedam ninga towar ana nang khang bom lo nang bung bom lo keng nang thum bom lo
colleagues la bilton la pen rokasen leadership along kachira abdul colleagues than antame aprangsi neli nalitumhan central executive committee ahin pen khai kachisong kardom pajirloka
jeng khat headrun tame next time kebang thu a conference long tame ako best run se palong thui pan kama bang isini claim nang lang isia program deng pen minton kok labang lideni atema
Wiki-based report from Satgaon for Karbing Long Live. With the purpose of having a clear first-hand view and knowledge about the ground reality of the Lanka-Umrongso road, the Assam's PWD Commissioner Rajesh Kemprai on Saturday inspected the ongoing work of double-lane 90-kilometer road connecting Lanka in Hojai district with Umrongso in the Mahasau district. While talking to the media persons during his inspection, Commissioner Kemprai said that construction of this road linking Lanka with Umrongso is one of the 8 projects sanctioned by Ministry of Development of North-Eastern Region with an approved cost of Rs 199.56 crores from Assam under the North-East Special Infrastructure Development Scheme. The time limit to complete this project is March 2020. However, as these projects were sanctioned lately, the Lanka-Umrongso road work started from August this year. But the local alleged that the company engaged for the project work is delaying unnecessarily. The period of NESIDS projects is from 2017 to 18 to 2019 to 20. Till July 2019, Development of North-Eastern Region sanctioned 39 NESIDS projects with approved cost of 1,163.84 crore rupees for the entire Northeast. While speaking to reporters, Kemprai said that the construction works are on a war footing and expect to see positive results by March 2021. He also said that no subcontractors will be engaged and no such arrangement were mentioned in the agreements.
Hi. এই রাস্তাটো লঙ্কা টু উমৰাংছু ৰাস্তাটো আমি চেংচন কৰাইছোঁ দিল্লীত গৈছে দিল্লীৰ লগত মন্ত্ৰণালয়ত গৈছে এইটো একচুৱেলি হোৱাটো এইটো ৰাস্তাটো লেহেমীয়া গতি হোৱা নাই কাৰণ কি এই ৱাকটো এলটমেণ্ট হওঁতে আপোনাৰ এই 2000 ফেব্ৰুৱাৰী 20ত হৈছিলে তাৰপিছত হৈ গ'ল আল্টিমেটলি 24ৰ পৰা কোভিড শুরু হৈ গ'ল পেণ্ডেমিক চিটুৱেশ্যন হৈ গ'ল তাৰপিছত এই আপোনাৰ তেতিয়া কি মোবিলাইজেশ্যনটো আপোনালোকে প্ৰথম মাইলষ্টনত কি হয় আপনার মোবিলাইজেশনতে বহুত সময় লাগি যায় ক্যাম্প বনাতে সময় লাগি যায় মানুষ আনতে সময় লাগি যায়
Suraj Barman's report from Haflong for Karbing Long Live. Well, those were the top stories for today. Thank you for watching Karbing Long Live. Have a good day.